36-inch induction ranges are becoming more popular recently for a variety of reasons. Induction's faster with a better simmer than gas. It's also easier to clean and more child-safe. The more cynical answer is manufacturers are busy making induction because many cities have banned gas in multi-family units. That said, I'll show you the best 36-inch induction ranges to consider, but be careful because many of the best appliances have problems, as you'll see. Stay to the end and you'll learn why you may want to wait. Paykel offers 3 different induction ranges. You have the classic and contemporary style, which are about the same price. Then there's the Pro with the digital clock and different styling for $2,700 more. Let's look at Paykel's best features. The output and configuration of the burners is excellent. It's the reason to consider a larger range. The center burner is 5,500 watts. That's incredibly powerful. That pot of spaghetti or lobster is no match for this burner. Seriously, it would be much faster than even Blue Star's 25,000 BTU gas burner. It's flexible as well with 2 sides that can be bridged. The 2 front burners have a max output of 3,700 watts, which is the equal to the hottest burners for most of the companies on this list. Paykel is a mode for any way you want to cook. Their Aero mode uses top and bottom elements to cook faster and more evenly. You have 9 modes with Paykel and 15 in the Pro series. The oven is powered by 2 fans instead of 1 for better heat distributions. Warming drawers can keep food warm for up to 3 hours without dehydrating it, so they're more convenient if you cook and serve at different times. At 36-inch, it's a big drawer. Separate warming drawers cost over $1,500 on average. The Contemporary and Classic have the warming drawer, while the Pro does not. You don't have to default to stainless steel. Paykel offers different colors like red, white, and black, or stainless in their Classic series. The oven capacity is only 4.9 cubic feet, which is smaller than what you might find in other 30-inch ranges. An LG 30-inch is 6.3 cubic foot, while a Cafe Double is 6.7 cubic feet. The 36-inch ranges are smaller on average than a 30-inch range, as you'll see. The price is on the higher side at $8,500 for the Contemporary and a bit more for the Classic in color and over $11,000 for the Pro. However, Paykel does have $2,700 rebates and packages and other rebates if you buy on a holiday like Black Friday or other major holidays throughout the year. Bosch is the most reliable induction cooktop and 30-inch induction range based on 34,000 service calls logged by our service department just last year. However, Bosch does not manufacture this 36-inch range. It's made for them by another company, Smeg, out of Italy. The unit has 5 burners with the highest at 3,400 watts. You could bridge the burners on the left side. The oven capacity is small at 3.7 cubic feet. It doesn't have Bosch's Home Connect Wi-Fi system like the other appliances. Price is on the less expensive side at $61.99. Plus, Bosch is a great company to buy any appliance from, at least in the Northeast, for the service and technical support side. Cornue is best if you want a unique look with 12 standard colors and 6 trims. You can also choose a custom color from 53 more choices, so your kitchen can be truly unique. So if you want a royal blue range with a chrome or brass trim, Cornue is a good choice. Top has decent power with a 3,700 watt center burner and 3 added 3,000 watts in addition to a 2,200 watt. It's a beautiful range. However, the oven again is smaller, 3.8 cubic feet, and the price starts at $74.95 plus shipping. The best 36 induction range is the one you'll have to wait for. Wolf is introducing their new induction range late this year. The current, yet unavailable model is still the best. You have 5 burners, 4 can be combined into 1 super burner for a big pot. Burners are decent, 3,700 watt plus 2 3,000 watt plus 2 2,100 watts. The oven is large, it's 6.3 cubic feet, but has the best convection in their Verticross blower convection system. Blowers deliver more air than fans, but you'll have to wait for Wolf, which may be good advice while buying any 36-inch induction range. You do have better burner configurations on a 36-inch range, especially the Paykel, but you're paying more for a 36-inch than the standard 30-inch sizes. With the exception of Wolf, you'll have a smaller oven size. Although you can buy 36-inch induction ranges between $4,000 and $5,000 with the names like Ilve, Bertazzoni, and Verona, you'll have issues. Italian companies are known for their style, not quality control or service after the purchase. So unless you're replacing a 36-inch range, you may want to consider the 30-inch size. Another good reason is 36-inch inductions are newer to the market. Many companies like Thermador, Frigidaire, Electrolux just introduced their 36-inch range, while Viking, Miele, and Blue Star are building theirs. Hopefully you'll see some improvements in those models over time. If you want to learn more about the best 30-inch induction ranges, click here, and thanks for watching.